Hi guys, it's your girl Melania Dolly and I'm back with another YouTube video. This video is going to be a Victoria's Secret clothing haul. I bought some panties and bras and some perfume and lotion. I'm going to be trying them on and showing y'all. So let's get straight into that. And make sure y'all don't forget to subscribe and like my video and my channel. But yeah. This is the first piece. It comes with the rhinestones. The rhinestones up here. It's black. It's like silky too. It's G-string. Well, thong, not G-string. But yeah. They got rhinestones on both sides. Just got rhinestones at Victoria's Secret. These cute though, no lie. And it's like real scrappy. Like it fit real tight. It got the little adjuster things right there. But you see it got the circle so it stopped. But it's still tight though. I like that. My cat is crying. It's cute. I like it. They're cute or whatever. These are the pink ones. I got the pink ones also with the Victoria's Secret rhinestones on it. Cause they're mad cute. Like, boo. But anyways. Oh, I'm not gonna change my bra cause I had ordered the pink one and this thing right here, but it didn't come yet. So I'm gonna just keep this bra on the whole video and just change the panties and show y'all the panties or whatever. But yeah, these cute. They silky too. Cute. They like kind of big though, unless I'm just losing weight. Like, huh? These are G-string, so yeah. They have the little pink logo. Yeah, that says pink. This is the back. It's cute. I like the pink in it. These right here are actually my favorite. They have like a little cute little sunflower on it. Very cute. Penelope, stop biting on my feet. Yeah, I like this. These are cute, Lula. These are extra cute. I love these. They're comfortable. They're like cotton. They say love pink. They have the little pink logo right there. They're cute in the back. These are actually really cute and comfortable. I like these. They're cute. Yo, I thought these were mad cute because they have like a little pizza. And I love pizza. That's the back. I really like these. These are mad cute. I like it. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Pizza on my panties. These are cute. I like that. Pizza. 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 But yeah, I like these. Pizza. I love pizza. These are the purple ones. The little doggy on it. Pink logo. These are the last pair that I bought. They're cute. They actually go well with my skin. They're cute on me. Yeah. One of y'all the perfumes that I bought. And lotion. I'm always forgetting to say something. Like, I need to write this shit down. Baby girl. Yeah, I'm gonna unwrap my Victoria's Secret lotion and perfume for you guys to see. Yeah. This is the Bali coconut palm. I wonder if it smells good, but I'm gonna have to open it because it comes sealed. I'm just gonna wait until I actually use it to smell it. I got like lotion sitting on my dresser, but I ain't even use it. I just love Victoria's Secret lotion. Like, it smells so good. Like, for real, for real. This is the coconut milk and rose calm. It's cute. It got a white top. It's cute. Beach orchid. This one probably gonna smell good. Oh, I ordered this little one. It actually came pretty big. This is a body wash. Calm. Relaxes you. Keep you calm. Take a nice shower. But yeah, I got some perfume. I thought I got like 4. Cause I got 4 lotions. I thought I got 4 perfumes and 4 lotions. They probably didn't set some of it. So cute. Coconut milk and rose. Look at it, cute. No lie, sometimes I just be collecting these shits, like, cause the containers be cute, like they be cute for my dresser. And they be smelling so good, like, girl, a nigga gonna smell you a mile away. Okay, this is a different one. I like this though, how it come like in the clear with the white top. I love that. It's so fucking cute and classy. Like grown woman shit. That's real cute, don't lie. Ooh, this smells so good. Like a baby from heaven. This is coconut milk. I knew this was gonna smell good because coconut milk and rose some good shit. I got the body wash, the lotion, and the perfume. Coconut milk and rose. Yes. That would be the end of my YouTube video. My Victoria's Secret clothing haul. Oh, make sure y'all like that's why I be forgetting to do this because it be so hard to say it. Like, but anyways, make sure y'all subscribe, like my video and my channel. Thumbs up this video. Bye.